Why groups of 4 students? Well, the answer is in part because there are 4 roles, but then the next question, of course, is why are there 4 roles? This seems to be about the group size that's most effective. Most students can participate well in that 4-person group. They can share their own ideas out, have them heard by 3 other people, and then they can come to a group consensus and then write out their response at the end, which brings us back to the roles. The 4 roles seem to be the minimum number required to address all the concerns of the group. Who's going to be recording the information, who's going to be the spokesperson for the group, who's going to be making sure everyone's on task, and who's going to be keeping an eye on the time. It's difficult for somebody to have 2 of these roles going on in her or his head at any given time, so breaking it down into 4 seems appropriate. But there aren't really 5 or 6 or 7 roles that are needed in the group. But if it's necessary to break students into more than 4 people groups, right, so you have some odd number of students that doesn't work out perfectly, it's not a tragedy. You'll try for 5 people if necessary. It's sometimes adequate to break people down into 3-person groups, though figure it out in your classroom environment, and assign roles accordingly. If somebody is not assigned a role in that group, for example in a 5-person group, then making clear that that student is still an individual contributor in the group and could still just contribute as many useful ideas and have as much of a voice in the group is an important thing to do. Scaffolding that should take care of any concerns for it. So shoot for 4, do your best.